College in some way or the other. And for that, we are all indebted to the late Rajan sir for starting this unit in 1975. This was the very first surgical gastroenterology unit in the country. As an MBBS student in the early 1980s, I was in awe of the surgical gastroenterology unit. They seemed to be doing operations no one else could do. They were quite friendly. In particular, I remember the time when the late Chakavalev sir was in charge of the unit. In 1989, I was extremely lucky to have been allotted 6 months placement during my MS in the surgical gastroenterology unit, when my friends in the same batch got only 2 months, if at all. At that time, it was run by Matikoshi sir and Subbalal sir. They were excellent trainers, great role models and mentors, and I am greatly indebted to them for their support during that time. I again got lucky in 1991 after my MS when I got to do a further 6 months in the unit. At that time, Professor Rajkumar sir had been appointed to be in charge of the unit. He is entirely responsible for raising the profile of the unit, establishing the MCH program, and appointing new faculty members like Bonnie and Kurula. I remember being the third assistant to Angama sir for the first liberal section which was being done in those days. I'm very grateful to Angama sir for all his support in my career. Now, 50 years down the line, the surgical gastroenterology unit is extremely well established. They have a full complement of faculty members. They carry out all the operations that come under the domain of surgical gastroenterology. They not only have a good MCH program, but also have an excellent portfolio of their own research and publications for which they should be extremely proud. Recently I had the occasion to visit the unit and I was gratified to see the unit in the capable hands of Ramesh Rajan, who is an old friend from my Amrita days 25 years ago. I am convinced that Ramesh will take the unit to even higher levels. Let me say that it's been a privilege to have been part of the surgical gastroenterology unit in some small way, and I wish the surgical gastroenterology unit at Trivandrum Medical College all the very best in the coming years.